Hey, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. We're back again in Greg's garage for yet another Halloween prop. And this one was going to be, I guess, like a two-part series. It's going to take us 2 days to build it. We're going to turn this 4x8 sheet of plywood into a 4-foot coffin. But this is like the old ones where I guess the shoulder is more broad than the feet and the head. But we didn't want to do like a 6.5-foot coffin in your yard. Plus it would have taken 2 sheets of plywood. We're just gonna do like a 4-foot coffin.
It's gonna be a little guy.
Yeah, we don't want to call it like a young person.
We'll just say that in order to save space, they cut the body in half and then put it in the coffin.
Ooh, that's gruesome.
Yeah, so there you go.
So yeah, I'll put a copy of these plans here up on our website, howtofixitworkshop.com. Also check out our other videos. This is the fourth. This is your 4th overall Halloween project. So.
Yep.
All right, let's get to.
All right, I'll try to get as straight as I can.
Looks straight.
Somewhat.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Okay, wait a minute. Sawdust.
Should wear a mask, Greg. I feel like I've heard that lately.
Have you? Well.
Man, we look like we know what we're doing.
Somewhat.
All right, so we completed the cut of the top and the bottom of the coffin. So there's the lid and the bottom, and now we're working on the long sides. Bound it. Perfect.
Should be it.
Yep. With any luck, we should be able to just glue it all together and tack it in place. Putting a bead of caulk on here, and we're just going to tack all these pieces together. Glue should hold, but the nails will keep it in place until the glue dries. After the head and toe, we go for the long side here. And again, all these plans are available, howtofixitworkshop.com.
So normally this would be wood, but if we're going to do it black, it'd be more of a stone type structure then, right? Or we could stain it with wood stain.
Yeah, like something that would be used to treat like a deck or something.
Yeah.
And it's off by a little bit.
Look at that. Man.
I look like a crazy person, don't I?
Man, someone's cooking something delicious.
I know, it smells fantastic. Never thought I'd be building a coffin.
Well, at least it's not your own.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. I think we need 2 like splines that go right here.
Oh, on the inside?
Yeah, kind of be on the inside. That'll hold these 2 edges together. Because once we get the top and the bottom attached, this will still have a little bit of give to it. So we had all that scrap wood. I think we can just cut a couple short little pieces. Best coffin I've ever built, Greg.
Didn't you say it's the only coffin you ever built?
Oh,
What you got going with this scrap wood here?
All right, so a little bit of scrap wood left over. We need to make a couple splines, but really these are just going to sit on the inside here, and I guess we'll stick a little bit of glue in there and then pull this together and tack it through on the sides. Pretty solid.
Yeah.
There you go.
About that.
Next time, we'll be adding the lid, and we'll throw on a couple hinges here on the side. We'll have some kind of a motor operation and a hand coming out there. Came out pretty good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Pretty happy with that.
Needs to be painted.
It's already recording, I think.
Oh, it is?
The red dot on there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I work these things.
All right, and action.